I'll never go treasure hunting alone ever again. I so wasn't prepared for this. Ah! Oh, phew. I think it's gone. I gotta call Sue. No! Oh, come on, Sue, answer me! Ah!
Finally, I can have some me time. I wonder how Sam's doing, though. Speaking of, here he is. Hi, Sammy. I was just thinking about you.
You have to say over!
All right, over. So what's with the treasure, huh?
Almost there, Sue. I'm already... Whoopsie! I gotta go! Someone's coming!
Oh, did you hear that? It must have been the wind.
I wouldn't be so sure. Oh no! They're everywhere! I'm surrounded by those wild creatures!
Ha!
Oh no! I've been cornered! I've had enough! True crafters never surrender! So, who should I take down first?
Hey, what are you talking about? We're just your fan club.
So you're not trying to eat me?
Of course not. No one's gonna eat you, right, Ducky?
Yep. Oh, by the way, can I take pictures with you, please?
Me too.
Sure thing. Oh, guys, have you seen a treasure here by any chance?
Huh? A treasure?
I haven't seen any treasures.
I saw a damsel in distress. No treasure, though.
What? Where?
Somebody help!
Courage, my lady! I'll save you, or I'm not Super Sam! Whee!
Oh, please, hurry! Oh!
Whee! Subscribe to our channel, friends, and I'll continue my mission.
Oh, finally, someone's coming! Is it Super Sam? Oh, my teamy dub, are you okay?
Super Sam has come to the rescue, and I'm totally fine, don't worry. Come on, let's go!
Hey, where are you going? What about our pictures?
Another day, another craft. I wonder where Sammy is.
I didn't think you were that heavy.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, Sue.
I thought you'd bring treasure.
Well, I got a damsel in distress instead.
I see. And what do you suggest me to do?
Isn't that obvious? She totally needs a makeover, duh! Ugh, and I need a shower. Be right back!
Oh, there's a lot of work to be done here. I know. I need my beauty box. I want to be as beautiful as Taylor Swift. Girl, who doesn't? Now here's my ultimate, most awesome and functional beauty box. Check this out. There's everything we could possibly need for a total makeover. Oh, and even more.
What? I can't believe it! So much candy!
First shower, then candy. In the meantime, I'll start working. Yuck. Oh, there's so much green goo. Were you catching frogs in a swamp or something? Ew. This doesn't belong here. Ugh.
Wait, did you start a makeover without me? You should have waited for me! Because I have an idea! We can use the super makeover device that I put together myself. I call it Samuel 3000. Impressive, huh?
Did you now? Well, I'm not going in there.
Well then, I'll use it. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Well, what do you say now? Do I look stunning or what?
You sure are.
Why are you giggling? Ah! I have to change it back! Start!
Right, and I'll take care of the old clothes. The first thing we do is get rid of this icky skirt. Now here we go. And that top will have to come off as well, unfortunately. I bet it looked cute before. Now that's more like it, and now it's bath time.
Phew, I'm me again, even though it wasn't easy. Now, where are we with the makeover? Oh, I see. The next step is hair beauty routine, am I right? Come on, tell me I'm right.
Yep, we want to do a full makeover after all. So first, we need to give our hair a good wash. And then we'll do some super cool hairstyling.
Oh, Sue, can you wash my hair too, please?
What hair are you talking about?
Oh, right. Moonbeam and Candy Flare, give me the hair. Oh, it worked! Hey, Sue, you can wash my hair now, right?
Sure thing. Let's soak you up.
Okay, I'm good.
All right, the hair is clean. Now let's use my super cool comb to brush it out. There we go. Unraveling all the tangles. Nice. Now let's do the face. Have you seen a face mask, Sammy?
No, but I found a yummy treat.
Hey, you can't eat that.
Why? It's so tasty.
Oh, Sammy, this is a face mask. We'll use it to help Barbie, get rid of her acne. That's it. Now let's give it a good rub.
What a waste of a yummy product. We should have eaten it instead, really. Oh, speaking of yummy things, what do we have here? Oh, and what's that? Interesting.
And we're done. So how does it feel? Oh, I look wonderful and so clean.
How's it going, ladies?
Are you wearing Barbie's bathrobe?
What? No, I found this cloth, I promise. Whatever. I don't need it anyway.
La la la. Oh, I'm so ready for my next treatment. And it's gonna be hairstyling. But first, we need to make a few curlers.
Oh, what do we have here? Ouch! What was that? Why would it come off? Sue, there's something stuck on my back. Help!
Okay, just stay still.
What if it's something scary? Oh, thanks.
Oh, Sammy, you're such a scaredy cat. And this is what we will do with our curlers.
So, if I stick this to my head, I'll get curly hair? Hey, it doesn't work!
It does. Well, for Barbie. Yeah, well, maybe that's because I have hair.
Oh, yeah? You won't dare to say that to a mummy.
Oh, wow, good thinking, Sammy. Let's make our Barbie a duct tape gown.
Hey, find your own duct tape.
Okay, Barbie, let's get you ready for the dress. First, we need some plastic wrap. That's great. Now, where was that duct tape? Oh, here you are.
Oh, now that's gonna be interesting. I never even thought you could make a dress out of this.
Yep, we just need to tape over the doll's body this way, layer by layer. And we need to try not to leave any gaps.
Are we gonna paint it as well?
Of course we are.
Awesome! If I were pink, where would I hide? Let's see. Nope, nah. Aha! Here it is! Where is it? Oh, Sue, you can use this!
Oh, yeah. And it's a very pretty color. Great choice, Sammy. It's important to paint over the sides, too. Oh, that tickles! Okay, it looks great, but something is missing. I know, let's add some sparkles. That's what I'm talking about. And again, let's not forget about the sides.
Hey, what is it all the fun just for you? I want some! Yeah, more glitter, more! Hey, look at me, I'm just like a disco ball. Girls, let's dance! Woohoo!
Oh, wow, this dress is coming out great!
You look cool, but let's get to the accessories already.
Hold on, hair first.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Let's unwind our curlers. Oh, I hope it all works out. I think we did it! Oh, that's great! It came out exactly as I imagined. So, how do I look? You look amazing. This hairstyle really suits you.
Wow, you look so beautiful, Barbie. You look like you could be in a movie.
Well, our lady is ready. Oh, but wait. I can't go out without shoes. Oh, that's right, shoes. I can't believe I forgot about them. And the necklace, too.
Oh, I'm tired of being a disco ball. I can't believe I'm gonna have to take another bath.
And while Sammy's cleaning up, let's try these on. Ooh. And here's a necklace to make you shine bright like a diamond. And you can't go without a purse, of course. Oh, cute! I'm ready to go.
Ice cream, yummy ice cream, only 3 cat coins apiece.
Oh, Sammy, thanks for helping me out. I'm a real beauty now.
Ah, don't mention it. Ooh, ice cream. I heard it's the tastiest here. Ducky, what are you doing here?
Huh? I'm selling food with the boys.
The boys? What are you...
Hey, Sam, wanna grab a burger?
Fortune cookie, Sam. And what about that photo, eh?
what are you talking about?
Oh, these are my girls.
What, girls? Huh?
Oh my, we heard that Sam's gonna be here.
There he is!
Oh no. Friends, thank you for being with us. Subscribe to our channel and I'm off.
Hey, wait!
Huh? Girls, what about me? You and I will go shopping together. Deal? Yay! Bye-bye!